How to get express shipping on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now head towards the item that you want to order. Just select the item, then add the item to the cart. Once you are done selecting the item to the cart, head over to the cart section. Click on this cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in the cart page, you're gonna find a list of the items that you have added to make your order. Now click on the option of checkout. You will be directed to order confirmation page. First up, provide your shipping details. Then head towards the section of shipping method. Select express shipping. In comparison to standard shipping, express shipping is more expensive, but your delivery will be faster than the standard one. Now select your payment method. If you have coupon or gift card, you can apply it. Then click on place order. Now provide your payment details, card number, expiration date and CVV. Check your billing address, then click on place order. With that, you have just confirmed your order. So this way you can easily get express shipping on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.